हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे थे ग्रेड 11 कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम के लिए लोकस एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन। वी हैव कंप्लीटेड पॉइंट ऑफ लोकस एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ पॉइंट ऑफ लोकस, देन वी हैव स्टार्टेड लाइंस एंड वी हैव कंप्लीटेड टिल स्लोप ऑफ लाइन। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस ऑन स्लोप ऑफ पैरेलल एंड परपेंडिकुलर लाइन। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और मजेदार कंसेप्ट है। पूरी क्लैरिटी के लिए पूरे वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिए, बीच में स्किप मत कीजिए, नहीं तो डाउट्स रह जाएंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड इट टुडेज। So as you can see on the board, the concept is slope of parallel line. So already we have discussed that if theta is inclination of line, then tan theta is slope of line. If inclination is given, if coordinates of the points are given, then slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So these are the formulas to calculate slope. Next concept is slope of parallel lines. What is slope of parallel line? If this is my Cartesian plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. If I am drawing two lines parallel, if two lines are drawn parallelly, let this as L1 and L2. L1, L2, two lines parallel to each other. Then the slope of L1 is equal to the slope of L2. Let the points A and B are on L1 and C and D are points on line 2. Let slope of AB is equal to M1 and slope of CD is equal to M2. The slope of line 1 we are taking as M1 and slope of line 2 we are taking as M2. If both the lines L1 and L2 are parallel, then the slope M1 is equal to M2. If L1 is parallel L2, M1 is equal to M2. Slope of first line is equal to slope of parallel line only and only if the lines are parallel to each other. So this is the formula for parallel line. What if the lines are perpendicular to each other? So in the same Cartesian plane, if I am drawing one line here and one line here, let this is as L1 and this is as L2. These L1 L2 lines are perpendicular to each other, 90 degree angle इसके बीच में बन रहा है. Then what happened to the slope of the line? Again there are points A and B are points of L1 and C and D are points of L2. Then slope of AB M1, slope of CD M2, we have already assuming that. So if L1 is perpendicular to L2, then M1 multiplied M2 is equal to minus 1. So when lines are parallel, slope are equals to each other. When lines are perpendicular, product of slope is minus 1, negative 1. So I hope यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया कि अगर लाइंस पैरेलल होते हैं तो उसके स्लोप में क्या रिलेशन होता है, और अगर लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होता है देन उसके स्लोप के बीच में क्या रिलेशन होता है. नाउ वन लास्ट पार्ट इज लेफ्ट, दैट इज एंगल बिटवीन द लाइन. सो लेट्स सी एंगल कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं हम लाइंस के बीच. इफ टू लाइंस आर इंटरसेक्टिंग ईच अदर ऑन द सेम प्लेन, लेट दिस इज माय कार्टेशियन प्लेन, x axis, y axis and origin 0. If two lines are intersecting each other, let this as L1 and this as L2. So slope of L1 is equal to M1. Slope of L2 is equal to M2. So the angle between these two, always angle is considered as theta. Then slope is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, for this particular case, when lines are intersecting each other, their slope 1 minus slope 2 divided by 1 plus product of slope 1 and slope 2. Subtraction of slope 1 slope 2 divided by 1 plus product of slope 1 and slope 2. This is angle between two lines. If two intersecting lines are given to you and slope of both the lines are given to you, then you can calculate the angle created between the lines by using this formula. Tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2. So I hope three formulas we have learned. Let this as first. Second one we have learned when L1 parallel L2, M1 is equal to M2. When L1 perpendicular L2, product of M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. So angle between two intersecting lines and slope between parallel lines, slope between perpendicular lines. These are the main important factors of the objective. So I hope this much is clear to you. Now we will solve questions from exercise 5.2 for better clarity and understanding of the concept, so that you can get a clear vision of the objective. So let's go to the application question. So the question is from exercise 5.2, question number 6. As per the question, without using Pythagoras theorem, so that the points A, B, C are vertices of right angle triangle. So in this question, we need to show that the lines are parallel to each other. If we can prove that, then we can prove that the triangle is a right angle triangle, because base and height are perpendicular to each other. So if I am drawing a figure like this, let this as A, B, C. So here the coordinates of A are 4, 4, B 3, 5 and C minus 1, minus 1. It is not given which angle is right angle, so you can take it as per your choice. But as it is not given, we need to calculate the slope of each line possible. Then we will find it is perpendicular or not. So here we have to find slope of AC, slope of AB, slope of BC. Three slopes we need to find. So let's find the slopes first. So solution, given A 4, 4, B 3, 5, C minus 1, minus 1. Let slope AB is equal to M1, slope AC is equal to M2, slope BC is equal to M3. So three possible slopes we have to calculate here. Slope AB is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, because coordinates are known to us, theta is not known to us. Here y1 is equal to 5 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 4. So here answer is 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So final answer will be minus 1. First slope M1 is minus 1. Now coming to M2, slope AC, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So here minus 1, minus 4 upon minus 1, minus 4. So here we got minus 5 upon minus 5. So answer will be 1. Now coming to slope BC. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So values are minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 3. Now answer is minus 6 upon minus 4. So after simplification we will get 3 upon 2. So this is our first slope, this is second slope, this is third slope. Coming to the main part, which lines are perpendicular. So M1 multiplied M2 is equal to minus 1 multiplied 1 minus 1. This we got as minus 1. So first slope, that is AB, and second slope AC. ये दोनों स्लोप का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो माइनस 1 है, तो हमें मिल गया कि यही दोनों लाइन परपेंडिकुलर है. हम क्लैरिटी के लिए दूसरे जो स्लोप्स है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लेते हैं. M2 M3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो M2 है हमारा 1 और ये हो गया 3/2. आंसर विल बी 3/2. M1 और M3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. 3/2 will be minus 3/2. So we got M1 multiplied M2. Product of slope of AB and product of slope of AC are minus 1. So the answer will be AC perpendicular to AB. So हमें पता चल गया कि ABC जो है वो एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के वर्टाइसेस है without using Pythagoras theorem. Now coming to question number 7. So next question is find the slope of line which makes angle of 45 degree with positive direction of y-axis measured clockwise. So here we need to find the slope of line. So find slope of line, either we need the coordinates of the point or inclination of line theta. But here both are not given. Theta we knew we have to calculate as per angle created with positive direction of x-axis, but here angle is given it with y-axis. So we need to find theta first. If we are able to find theta, then we can calculate the slope. So before going to the solution, let's understand the question by diagram. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is negative y-axis, this is negative x-axis. So it is given line makes angle of 45 degree with positive direction of y-axis. This one is the positive direction of y-axis. Line is making 45 degree with that. For making 45 degree with that, if the line goes like this, let this PQ line is intersecting y-axis and making angle of 45 degree. So if the point of intersection I am taking as A and here point is B. If this point I am taking as this line segment I am taking as OD. Then here the points I have named to rename the angles I am getting in the diagram. So here this angle is 45 degree and I am getting a right angle triangle here. Here theta will be angle B. This will be our theta because line is making theta with positive direction of y axis. So this will be theta. If we are able to calculate theta here, then we can calculate the slope. So let's see how can we calculate theta here. So in the figure, measurement of angle DAQ is equal to 45 degree. Measurement of angle DAQ is equal to measurement of angle OAB, that is 45 degree because both are vertically opposite angles. This is 45 degree, this is 90 degree. We have already know because both the x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, that we already knew. So in triangle AOB, measure of AOB plus measure of OAB plus measure of OBA is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. From the three angles, we knew this angle is 90 degree plus this angle is 45 degree. This angle is theta. 180 degree is the sum. We need to find theta. So theta will be 180 minus 90 minus 45. So theta is equal to 45 degree. So if theta is 45 degree, inclination of line theta we got. Now what is slope? Slope M is equal to tan theta. That will be tan 45 degree. Value of tan 45 degree is 1. So our final value is 1. Slope of line is 1. So I hope the solution is clear to you. Now coming to the next one. Now the last question is find the value of k for which p k minus 1, q 2 1 and p 4 5 are collinear. Here it is given the points are collinear. So for collinear point means the lines are in a single straight line. Then if this is my line, so p q r will be like this. Slope of collinear points of a single line are equal means slope of pq is equal to slope of pr. Here we need to prove slope of PQ and slope of QR is equal. So important part is to calculate the slope PQ and QR. Given is PK minus 1, Q 2 1 R 4 5. So slope of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So this will be 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus k. So here 1 minus plus 1 will give us 2. Here 2 minus k. So slope of PQ we got as 2 upon 2 minus k. Slope of QR is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. It is 5 minus 1 4 minus 4 upon 2 2 upon 1. So answer is 2. So slope of PQ is 2 upon 2 minus k. Slope of QR is 2. Now we found both the slopes. So we have already learned if points are collinear then the slopes will be equal. So it is given points are collinear. So as P Q are given, then slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR. This is 2 upon 2 minus k. This is 2. If I am doing the cross multiplication, I will get 2 multiplied 2 minus k and 2 multiplied 1. 4 minus 2k is equal to 2. Now I can get 2 common from here. This will be 2 minus k will be 2. So 2 minus k is equal to 2 upon these 2 got divided. So we will get 1. So 2 minus k is equal to 1. Minus k is equal to 1 minus 2 minus k is equal to minus 1. So k is equal to 1. So the value of k is 1. I hope ये जो solution है और जो properties हमने पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया. Parallel line के slopes and perpendicular line के slopes and angle between intersecting line. इसको बेस करके आप different type के question solve करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Do follow the steps and the properties I have told you. Definitely you will get the proper answer. If still you have any doubt in any objective or any question, do write in the comment section. I will definitely come with a solution or clarification. So जाने से पहले अगर YouTube से देख रहे हैं, चैनल में नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Facebook से देख रहे हैं, पेज को फॉलो कर लीजिए. Do like share the video with your friends. I will come with another interesting content of locus and straight line. Till then stay tuned with Nextgen Math. Bye bye.